Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Photoshop theme to dark mode in Adobe Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first thing that you need to do is you need to bring up your Adobe Photoshop in your Windows or computer. So just have to open it, okay? And here at this window, which is the Creative Cloud Desktop or the Adobe Photoshop, proceed to the left side of it where you can see three lines. Click on it. And the moment you've click on it, you'd be able to see three options, which are File, Window, and Help. In our case, since we'll be changing our mode into dark mode, you need to proceed on File. And the moment you have click this forward arrow, you'd be able to see three options, which are Search, Preferences, and Quit Creative Cloud. You need to go with the second, which is Preferences. Click on it. And the moment you have the click on it, this window will appear. Okay, so it will show you different options, which are general, apps, notifications, services, appearance, and home. You need to go with appearance, and there you'd be able to set the color theme for the Creative Cloud Desktop app. Okay, or the Adobe Photoshop itself. Just have to go with dark, click on it. Okay, and in that moment you have just successfully set the color theme in your Adobe Photoshop into dark. Okay, click on done to apply, and there you have that. Okay, so enjoy using your Adobe Photoshop in a dark mode. Okay, so this is good, especially if you're using such application during nighttime. Okay, so that's it. If you want to change it into light mode, just have to navigate the same process, which is to go with the three dots, go with file again, go with preferences, click on it, and you need to choose with light or go with the mirror system preference. Okay, click on done, and there you have that. Okay, so in my case, I would prefer to go with the dark since it's suiting in our eyes. Okay, so that's it. Simply close this window and you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.